Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing data and creating a reliable connection. Import Excel, CSV, or database extracts into Power Query. Clean columns and set consistent types so formulas behave. Once done, combine tables with append or merge, choosing keys like ID or date. Make sure to remove duplicates and normalize date formats to YIMMDD. This first step prevents errors downstream and speeds refreshes, because a single unified query is far easier to automate than many ad hoc files. Now build the automation logic. Transform data with Power Query, pivot, filter, and add calculated columns, so reporting calculations are repeatable. Then create pivot tables or Excel formulas tied to dynamic named ranges so outputs resize automatically. Once your layout is stable, record macros or write concise VBA routines to refresh all queries, recalc, export PDFs, or save CSVs. Make sure to parameterize file names with dates, because that lets your macro generate daily files without finish by scheduling and testing. Use Windows Task Scheduler or Power Automate Desktop to open the workbook and run your macro or trigger a refresh at the desired time. Test thoroughly with prior dates, validating totals and sample rows. Adjust transforms if numbers differ. If something goes wrong, check the error log, use retry logic, and restore the manual rollback copy you saved. A single troubleshooting tip. If refresh fails, open Power Query. Refresh step by step to pinpoint the broken step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.